Hi and welcome. This is Chennai KC, a teacher of English. Now you are watching Chennai KC YouTube channel. Friends, in the previous grammar video lesson 14, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now I will explain countable nouns and uncountable nouns with the examples and exercises part 2. Now let us come and do exercises 1 and 2, countable nouns and uncountable nouns, part 2. Read the following sentences. The underlined words are nouns. Say which words are countable and uncountable nouns. Once again, I will read this first exercise. Read the following sentences. The underlined words are nouns. Say which words are countable and uncountable nouns. First one, my sister wrote a letter. My sister wrote a letter. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable. Choose the best answer. See here, sister, letter are underlined words. See here, sister is a countable noun and letter also a countable noun. Next, second one. I am going to tell you second one. Students, listen carefully. Get some oil for the house. Get some oil for the house. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable nouns. Choose the best answer. See here, the underlined words are oil, house. Here, oil is uncountable noun. House is countable noun. Next, I am going to tell you third sentence. See, snow falls on trees. Snow falls on trees. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable nouns. Choose the best answer. See, here the underlined words are snow and trees. Here snow is uncountable noun. Trees are countable nouns. Okay, students, next I am going to tell you fourth sentence. Say, the table is made of wood. The table is made of wood. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable nouns. Choose the best answer. The underlined words are table and wood. See here, table is a countable noun. Wood is uncountable noun. Okay, students. Next, I am going to explain fifth sentence. See, children like music. Children like music. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable nouns. Choose the best answer. Here, the underlined words are children and music. Here, children are countable noun. Music is uncountable noun. Next, sixth sentence. My friend bought a car. My friend bought a car. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable nouns. See here, the underlined words are friend, car. Friend and car. See here, friend is a countable noun. Car also a countable noun. Next, I am going to explain second sentence. See, observe carefully, students. There is no water in the well. There is no water in the well. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable nouns. Choose the best answer. Here, the underlined words are water and well. See here, water is an uncountable noun. Well is a countable noun. Next, eighth one, water drips from the taps. water drips from the taps. In this sentence, the underlined words are countable or uncountable nouns. Choose the best answer. Here the underlined words are water and taps. Here water is a uncountable noun. Taps are countable noun. Now let us come and do exercise on countable noun and uncountable nouns. Come and do this exercise too. Second exercise, use a, an, some, much and complete the sentences. Second exercise, use a, an, some, much and complete the sentences. First one, he spends dash money for education. He spends dash money for education. Here money is a uncountable noun. So a and not use, not come. So we use some money. It is a right answer. Next, second one, the teacher gave me dash. The teacher gave me dash advice. It is here advice is a uncountable noun. So we use much advice. So the teacher gave me much advice. It is a right answer. Next, third one, I want to dash cup of coffee. I want to dash cup of coffee. Here cup is a countable noun. So we use some. I want some cup of coffee. Right answer. Next I am going to tell you fourth sentence. See, please give me dash oil. Please give me dash oil. In this sentence, oil is uncountable noun. So we use some oil. Here, please give me some oil. It is the right answer. Next, fifth one. He is dash Indian. He is dash Indian. Here, Indian is a person. It is a countable noun. So we use an here. We use an here. It means he is an Indian. Next, sixth one, buy dash bread for me. Buy dash bread for me. In this sentence, buy some bread. This is the right answer. So here some we want to write. Buy some bread for me. This is the right answer. Seventh one, there is dash water in the jar. There is dash water in the jar. In this sentence, some water in the jar is the right answer. Some water in the jar means there is some water in the jar. Right answer. Eighth one and final one, he is writing dash letter. He is writing dash letter. Here letter is a countable noun. So we use a here. The answer is a letter. It means he is writing a letter. This is the right answer. Okay friends, now check it out. How many questions did you answer correctly? Tell us with the comments. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Next I am going to explain grammar video lesson 16, nouns gender. Thank you.